Hello dear students, today I will start with the first poem from your English reader Honeycomb. This is the first poem, The Squirrel. Now the poem tells about the time when a poet sees a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating nuts. Its tail was raised upwards with the tip pointing downwards. So the tail seems to be like a question mark, as you can see in the picture. It had a grey coat, that means the fur of the squirrel were grey in color. It was so loose that the poet calls it an overcoat. So it seems as if the squirrel is wearing an overcoat. ऐसा लगता है एक बड़ा सा कोट स्क्विरल ने पहना हुआ है. It was so in order to eat a nut, it was sitting straight. And the poet feels that squirrel is a funny little animal that likes to play with human beings. If human beings ran around this tree, the squirrel wouldn't be frightened at all. So it would like to tease and play with the humans. And to play, it will also run around the tree, but from the opposite side. If you are running clockwise, it will run anti-clockwise. That's the meaning of this short poem, Squirrel. Now there are certain questions that follow. I have given you the answers of the questions. This is answer of the question number 3, answer of question number 1 and 2. Then we come to the next poem, that is The Rebel. Like I have written, rebel in Hindi means बागी. बागी वो होता है जो अपने मन की करता है और दूसरों की जल्दी नहीं सुनेगा. He does what he feels like and he doesn't listen to other people easily. So it describes the character of a person who does not give up to the norms of the society or according to the rules of the society. He is described as a person who will contradict others in order to be different. मतलब वो हमेशा उल्टी बात करेगा, दूसरे जो भी कर रहे हैं, सही कर रहे हैं, गलत कर रहे हैं, वो उसका उल्टा ही करेगा ताकि वो अलग दिख सके. The character of the rebel in this poem is not based on a political activist, but it seems to be the character sketch of a young adult who is trying to be different. So if a rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he will make his hair grow long. If others have long hair, then he will cut his hair short. When he will see everybody is talking during the lesson, the rebel will become absolutely quiet. And when he sees that everybody is silent, the rebel will create a disturbance or he will create noise. Similarly, on such other times, rebel will be seen contradicting others and doing things which no one else would be doing. Now, a person who is a rebel, it is not necessary for him to do something particular. He will just do what is opposite of what the others are doing. If others are wearing a uniform, he will refuse to wear a uniform. If others are praising a dog, he will praise a cat. If others are appreciating the sun on rainy day and they are appreciating the rain on sunny days, he'll just do the opposite. He will just do anything but not what others are doing. मतलब उसको सही गलत से मतलब नहीं है कि वो क्या सही कर रहा है, गलत कर रहा है. उसे सिर्फ वो करना होता है जो दूसरे कर रहे हैं उसका उल्टा हो. Fine, so a rebel is a person who just does opposite of what others are doing just to show himself that he is a different person. Now, as you can see, there are certain exercises and questions. On page number 34, you have these around 5-6 questions. The answers I have given here. These are the answers of the questions which are given on this page. There are 6 questions and I have written all the 6 answers for you. Then second, you have to find an antonym, a word which is opposite in meaning. For all the words that are given here, for all the 5 words, you have to find an opposite word. That also I have written for you. Then you have to find the lines in the poem that match whatever has been written. Like if you see the third exercise, first one, the rebel refuses to cut his hair. I have marked the answer in the poem itself. That is the third part, first question. Third part, first question. So here is the answer, you can see. In the first 2 lines, I have written third part, first question. These lines show that the answer of this line, the rebel refuses to cut his hair. So when you will write it in your copy, you will first write the line from here, from the question, the rebel refuses to cut his hair, and then underneath it you will take up the line which shows that. Then you will write down the first 2 lines of the poem that I have marked. Likewise, third question, second part, he says cats are better. Now, where do you find the lines in the poem where he says cats are better? Third question, second part. Here, third question, second part. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. So I have marked to you the answers of the third exercise. You just need to write the sentence and then write the 2 lines from the poem which I have marked. So you need to do all these 3 parts of exercises in your copy. The first part has 6 questions, second part is an exercise which I have done for you, and third part also is an exercise which I have marked in the poem itself. That's all you need to do for these 2 poems. All the exercises and questions which I have discussed, that you need to do.